Okay class, here are the instructions for today's exercise. Go to grapher.oc.school.nz and you'll come up with this dialogue. The first thing you've got to do is click on the folder area, and we need to put in there the appropriate folder, which in this case is level 3. That's with a capital L and no gap between that. And then you press go and it goes away, and then you come to the data source folder and you download there. And what we actually want on this one here is inference holiday accommodation cost.csv. So it'll go away and it'll come up with this data here. The next thing you need to do is come down to the graph type folder, which is below the data. There it is there. And we want the dot plot box and whisker. For the variable one, we want price per night, and for variable 2 we want location. And so what this is doing is it's comparing the data between Queenstown and Rotorua for accommodation costs, and I just downloaded all this data, and this is for the first weekend of the holidays, the first Saturday night of the holidays, this information. So it's worked that out. What we then do is click on summaries. That's that. You might want to put a title in there as well. So just say accommodation cost, Queenstown and Rotorua. Okay, and just go update graph. So it'll do that, and then what we're going to do here is we'll go box plots as well, and that'll give you the box plots. And then if you just want a bit of extra space, you can get rid of, you can say hide left section, and then you've got this data here. And it's with this data here that I want you to do your CSI process, and looking at the instructions I put on Classroom as to what I want you to do.